The ultimate guide to reimagining forgotten items into everyday luxury begins with a profound shift in perspective, one that sees value not in perfection or novelty, but in history, character, and potential. In a world saturated with mass-produced decor, the transformation of industrial discards, antique tools, and weathered wood into refined, sellable luxury pieces represents both a creative rebellion and a sustainable opportunity. These forgotten items often carry the marks of labor, time, and human touch: scratches on metal, worn edges on timber, patina earned through decades of use. And it is precisely these imperfections that become the foundation of their elevated appeal. Welcome to Decor Ideas, a creative space where woodworking meets imagination and simple materials turn into inspiring decor for modern living. Whether you're here for inspiration, learning, or pure visual satisfaction, staying until the final moment ensures you don't miss the most rewarding details, creative twists, and finishing touches that bring every project to life. Thank you for being part of this creative journey, and we hope our videos inspire you to see possibilities in every piece of wood and every corner of your home. So we invite you to relax, watch till the end, and enjoy the process as it unfolds and get inspired. The desire to transform such materials into luxury decor is rooted in a growing appreciation for authenticity and story-driven design, where homes are no longer filled with anonymous objects, but with pieces that speak, resonate, and endure. When a rusted gear becomes the base of a sculptural table, or an antique wrench evolves into a minimalist wall feature, the result is not merely decor but functional art that bridges past and present, industry and intimacy. The process of elevating overlooked materials into high-value decor demands meticulous craftsmanship and a deep respect for the original form of each object. Rather than erasing the past, successful upcycling highlights it, allowing the marks of age to coexist with modern refinement. Metal components salvaged from factories or workshops are carefully cleaned, stabilized, and sometimes partially restored, not to make them look new, but to preserve their structural integrity while enhancing their visual depth. Wood reclaimed from old structures or discarded furniture is thoughtfully selected for its grain, tone, and strength, then shaped in ways that honor its natural irregularities. The artistry lies in knowing how much to intervene and when to step back, letting the material guide the design. This balance between control and surrender is what separates ordinary upcycling from true luxury craftsmanship, where every joint, finish, and proportion is intentional, even when the final form feels organic and effortless. Reimagining forgotten items into everyday luxury also involves a sophisticated understanding of contemporary living spaces. Modern interiors often seek warmth without clutter, character without excess, and sustainability without compromise. Upcycled metal and wood decor fits seamlessly into this vision when designed with restraint and clarity. A single statement piece, a sculptural lamp forged from antique piping, or a console table anchored by industrial steel, can transform an entire room, providing both function and emotional resonance. These creations succeed because they do not shout their origins, but quietly reveal them upon closer inspection, inviting curiosity and conversation. The luxury emerges not from extravagance, but from intentionality, from the sense that each piece was thoughtfully crafted rather than quickly assembled, and that it exists to last rather than to follow fleeting trends. The appeal of transforming forgotten items extends beyond aesthetics into ethics and sustainability, which are increasingly central to modern definitions of luxury. Using discarded materials reduces waste, lowers the demand for new resource extraction, and gives new life to objects that would otherwise be lost. This environmentally conscious approach resonates deeply with buyers who value responsible consumption and meaningful ownership. We'd love to know, are you enjoying today's content? Your support and engagement means so much to us and help shape the creative direction of Decor Ideas. Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Luxury, in this context, is no longer about excess but about care. Care for materials, for craftsmanship, and for the environment. When metal and wood are repurposed with skill and vision, they embody a quiet sophistication that aligns with sustainable values, proving that eco-conscious design can be both beautiful and profitable. From a creator's perspective, the journey of turning forgotten items into sellable luxury decor is also a path towards sustainable income and creative independence. Each piece crafted from reclaimed materials is inherently unique, allowing makers to position their work as limited, exclusive, and story-rich. The narrative behind the materials, where they came from, how they were used, and why they were transformed, adds significant value in the marketplace. Buyers are not just purchasing an object, but investing in a story, a philosophy, and a connection to something real. This emotional dimension is what allows upcycled decor to command premium prices, especially when the craftsmanship is evident in the details. Smooth welds, balanced proportions, carefully chosen finishes, and functional designs that integrate seamlessly into everyday life. The transformation process itself is a dialogue between old and new, requiring both technical skill and artistic sensitivity. Working with metal demands precision, patience, and an understanding of structure, while woodworking calls for respect for grain direction, moisture, and natural movement. When these materials are combined, the challenge intensifies, but so does the potential for striking contrast and harmony. Cold, industrial metal paired with warm, organic wood creates a visual tension that feels both modern and timeless, appealing to a wide range of interior styles. The success of such pieces lies in thoughtful composition, where neither material dominates but instead enhances the other, resulting in decor that feels balanced, intentional, and refined. Reimagining forgotten items into everyday luxury also encourages a slower, more mindful approach to creation. Unlike mass production, this form of craftsmanship values process over speed, allowing ideas to evolve organically and materials to dictate design decisions. This slower pace fosters innovation, as makers experiment with unconventional forms, unexpected combinations, and new ways of integrating function and art. Over time, this exploration leads to a recognizable style and identity, which is essential for building a brand around upcycled luxury decor. Consistency in quality and vision helps establish trust with buyers, turning one-time customers into loyal supporters who appreciate the depth and integrity of the work. Ultimately, the transformation of industrial discards and antique tools into high-value, functional art represents a powerful redefinition of luxury for contemporary living spaces. It challenges the notion that luxury must be new, flawless, or expensive to produce, offering instead a vision of elegance rooted in authenticity, sustainability, and craftsmanship. These pieces enrich homes not only visually but emotionally, reminding us that beauty can emerge from the overlooked and that the past can be reshaped to serve the present. By reimagining forgotten items with care and creativity, makers contribute to a more thoughtful design culture, one where every object has purpose, every material has value, and luxury is defined by meaning as much as by form. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.